Alright, in this video I'm going to start off rebuilding my MT07 engine after I hydrolocked it. Now this is the first engine I've ever rebuilt, so it's going to be, can I rebuild an engine on my own without destroying it, killing myself, or maiming some small animal? Actually, no, that's not technically true. I've rebuilt a 25cc pit bike for little V. So this is the first real engine. Although that makes out the other one was pretend. It wasn't. I definitely did it. Simple task to start off with. This is the bottom of the crankcase, and I need to put some ThreeBond liquid sealant around it. That's what the manual recommends, so that's what I'm going with. Just got to carefully go around it, put it where the little diagram tells me to put it. Hopefully not bugger it up, because that'd be embarrassing. Especially if it was an oil gallery hole and it blocked up and then the engine blew up and killed me. That'd be really embarrassing. This side I'm doing at the minute is the gearbox side. So the little cutout that you can see to the right of where I'm sealing at the minute is where the gearbox actually is. And those bearing cutouts, that's for the output shaft, which is where your sprocket goes for your chain. And all of the holes down this little bit that I'm covering in gasket sealant are all through holes, so there's no oil galleries in there. It's like the bolt goes through it and screws into the other side of the crankcase. Now I think that bolt there specifically is an oil gallery bolt, and according to the little diagram, you don't put any sealant past the hole next to it, which I think is a dowel hole. I think it matches up with a dowel on the opposite side on the bottom case. So I haven't got to be super careful here. I would like to do a tidy job. No harm in taking a bit of pride in your work, even if you don't know what you're doing. Just get this little bit over here out on the crankshaft side. You got to be careful that you don't get anything in the crankshaft bearings. So this is the crankshaft side, and all the bearings there that you can see. That's where the crankshaft goes through. It's only a twin, so there's only two. It's only a little engine. Now you do have to be careful on the hole at the bottom where I'm putting the paste, because that's, again, that is an oil gallery bolt. And one in this corner, that's where a dowel goes. That's the oil gallery one. That weird semicircular bit is part of the oil system as well. I guess it's a semicircle. So I'll just give it a little clean up. So there's the top half of my crankcase. So the pistons are on the underside of this. You've got the gearbox on the left with the output shaft and the crank in the middle. And on the right, you've got the balancer shaft, which is pretty cool how that works. So this has all been cleaned. I've got rid of all the water, blown out all the oil galleries, refilled them with oil just so it could sit. I checked the gears for wear and anything that didn't look right. The brown cable is holding the timing chain, which I need to keep out of the way, because although there's access at, like, when the top of the crankcase is on, it's really hard to get behind the clutch basket in that gear. So I'm just going to tie that to the camera stand, as it's the only thing I've got. It doesn't matter too much if it pulls off the gear, because you can jiggle it to get it back on, but it's just if you drop it down behind it, it just looks like it's going to be a pain in the ass. I didn't think to check if the chain was magnetic. I assume it would be, but even with like some sort of right angled magnetic tool, it'd be difficult. So now all I've got to do is slide this case, line up the dowels, and pop together just like that. That little jump was where I nearly knocked the camera over and broke it. You know, things happen. So now as the case gets a little bit squished together, the goop is coming up the side. I just want to clean up the majority of it, because as soon as the bolts start going in, it's going to get worse. So just while I've got the opportunity, I'll just give it a quick wipe. And it did say that you've got a few hours of this light setting, so I'm not in a particular rush to get it done. And there's a lot of bolts to go in to get this to be back together. Overall though, that seemed pretty successful. Got the gasket sealant in, and I got the cases together. Didn't scratch anything. And there we have it. So that's that little job done. I'm going to grab a cuppa, and then I'll start bolting it together in the next video. So I'll catch you in a bit.